Welcome to the Random Trader video series 2022 and beyond, episode number 5. Let's go to the charts. This is a continuation video from the last video. I had entered a trade on CHFJPY. I did a random sell, and the idea behind this is obviously to manage this random trade into profitability. But I wanted to add and show you something that I do. Let me close down the market watch on the left here so we have a full screen. You can see right now I'm about $5 and some odd cents in drawdown. Now, typically what I do, and it's a little bit hard to see on the screen here, I may zoom in, but you can see my sell order on the screen. And then what I did was I typically grab that sell order with my mouse and I drag down and drop, and that gives me an automated built-in take profit. So I could grab this take profit and I could put it down lower. Or if I drag my current trade up, since I'm in a sell, that's actually placing a stop loss. Now, I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to delete that stop loss. But I am, and I typically do, drag a take profit. Now, since I simply want to manage this trade into profitability, at this point in the series, I'm not necessarily going for any particular amount of profit. Profit is profit. Now, in this particular case, what I did was I dragged the take profit to the bottom of the recent pricing structure. Price has bottomed out at about that area. And if I hover over that take profit, it's going to show me that if the price comes down to that take profit line, I'm going to make $4.13. So not a lot of profit. At this point, we're just a couple hours on Friday, actually just a little over an hour on Friday, and the market's getting ready to close. So I would prefer not to keep a trade over the weekend, so I'm going to set really just a minimal take profit, just to move forward, just to be in profit. But again, a random trade, and as always, I'm going to manage this into profitability. If it takes profit today on Friday, like I said, the market's going to close soon. I'll, of course, resume episode number 6 on Monday, and we'll go into another random trade. If I hold the trade over the weekend, we'll see what happens. Of course, we'll cover that in episode 6. And the entire point behind this series is to show you that trade management is really more important than trade entry. And I know it goes completely against what you will see and what you probably believe and what you've been taught to believe. However, I'm going to tell you that a perfect trading strategy doesn't exist, but good trade management does exist. In this case, we're not using a strategy. We're doing a random trade entry on a random currency pair, and we're doing a random buy or sell. Again, in this case, we took a sell on CHFJPY. I set a very minimal take profit to see if we can go ahead and just get a quick profit, get out of this trade, and start fresh on Monday. If I hold the trade over the weekend, then it is what it is, and I'll show you how I manage this into recovery, either manually or I do have an automated robot that I can recommend that I don't earn any money for. It's not some sort of commission or affiliate link. It's just a robot that I found on the internet that will recover a trade that has gone against you. It will do it automatically. I like to do it manually because I can do it a little bit faster manually, but the automated recovery robot is actually pretty cool. So that's it for episode number 5 here. Really just an update and a continuation to episode number 4 to show you how I determine where and when to take profit on any particular trade. In this case, you can see it was based off of the fact that the market's going to close soon. I'd rather just take a small profit, move on, and not hold the trade over the weekend, but we'll see what happens. That's it. I'll see you in the next episode.